And if you're really, really fancy and you've been really, really good, you get the one with marshmallows. You put the little marshmallows. Yeah. Just like that. Good morning, Fire Fam. What's going down? It's a gloomy day today. Clouds. And man, we got a lot of rain last night. Like, when it rains, it pours. I don't know where cats and dogs came from when it comes with rain. I did see a cat earlier this morning, not gonna lie. So, whew. Although it takes rain to make rainbows, so glad for some rain. Got some nice humidity going today. Still a little chilly. Notice the jacket. You're welcome. And of course, normally I have this amazing coffee prop with me, filled with coffee, ready to go, ready to enjoy and tackle the day. But today, it's a special day. You know, given there's no co-host with me, no more. Onyx has made it to the, oh, my camera, where are you going? Subject lost. These fancy cameras. Oh, it's me. Hi, we're back. Anyway, where was I? Given that Onyx has made it off to Seattle, shout out to Doggone Seattle. Look forward to following up and see how she does over there. Special edition today. There is no coffee in this mug today. You know why? Because today, wait for it, yes, inside of this mug is from the hills of Jamaica, from Mama's yard, from Mama's hands specifically. Behold, chocolate. Chocolate? Right?
Yeah, we're drinking kids and call it cocoa here.
Cocoa, cacao.
Yeah,
Hold on, I'm being interrupted. There's a cat. Just there's a cat wanting to.
Broke it, put it dry.
But hold on, we'll talk about the process in a minute. I'm watching the cat. Hello, kitty. Hello? No, you're not. You're still going, and you scared the cat away. Scaredy cat. Look at that, just cats rolling up in my yard now that they know that my cats are gone. All right, you're cool. I remember you. Don't think I don't remember you. Anyway, where were we? Ah, yes. So, on Zoom, hi, face. Welcome back. Yeah, from the hills of Jamaica, from Mama's house, we have the chocolate that my wife, who loves to run the sink while I'm talking, by the way. Thank you so much, dear. She's going to explain the process and how this thing works, because I really don't know. Mama just says, here, take this with you on your journey back to the U.S. And so we did, and it's been in our fridge for a while, we'll say. But, so we're going to, as the sun comes out.
Sir, I make chocolate tea out of it and get Kami and Javier.
Oh, she made chocolate tea and gave it to Kami and Javier. Sweet. Thanks so much. But she's going to make some for us today, and so
I'm making it today.
Hopefully you guys enjoy the process and we can enjoy some chocolate tea together, because my coffee mug is empty. The sun is shining, the weather is sweet. Enjoy your day and let's see what happens. Ooh, sunshine. It's all you, dear. Get it. What are you doing?
You said to turn off the pipe.
I didn't say dump out the. No, I did not say dump out the water. I said just turn off the water while you're talking.
You said turn off the pipe. Turn off the water.
Yes, there was no turn off the water. I have it on record here. We'll play it back for you. Don't worry. Anyway. Start.
Start.
It's recording.
What?
It's recording.
It's recording you?
No, it's recording you.
No, you. La 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 la. Hallelujah. Amen. Brothers and sisters.
Hi guys. It's your gal Sonia here.
No, gal.
Oh, I don't know what you're talking about because we're trying to start.
Hello there. Good morning or afternoon wherever you are. Today we're going to make chocolate tea for Tyler. He wants chocolate tea to drink. So we're going to try and make chocolate tea today. Okay, so I can get the water in the pot now and put it on this out. Is it okay for me to catch the water? I'll tell your permission, sir.
So what's the first thing we got to do?
Catch the water in the pot?
How much water?
I don't know. I'm just catching to when my mind tells me to stop.
What? I can't hear you.
I said catching the water to one time my mind told me to stop and turn off the pipe. Then I turn off the pipe and put it in the, I don't know. Then I turn off the pipe and put it on the stove. And then I let it put the chocolate in and the cinnamon stick or nutmeg, maize. I put orange peel in, I think.
Cool.
Oh.
Your mind told you to turn off the water, huh?
Yep, my mind told me to turn the water off. Now I'm gonna put it on the stove. And I'm gonna get my chocolate. Where's the chocolate, Tyler? Where's the cinnamon stick, by the way? We have to from your friend. These ones. So we need vanilla extract. We need sugar. And then we need milk. But I have all of that. And then I have nutmeg over there. So all I need is this and this. So use cinnamon stick. A matter of fact, I never use cinnamon stick in anything anyway before. I always use cinnamon leaf. That's dry. We put in a porridge or tea or whatever. But now I'm using cinnamon stick. So, and I hope I make chocolate tea all the time anyway. Now I'm gonna use.
Where did you get the nutmeg from?
I get it from my friend Peter in Jamaica.
Is it?
So, shout out to
Bring
Peter.
me to make her home, and I give away a lot, and now I have some more, and probably.
Peter's nutmeg from the hills of Jamaica.
Yep.
Thanks, Peter.
It's a running tree, so we are using nutmeg maize in my chocolate tea as well. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna put about this.
What is this?
Orange peel. Orange peel make tea. So it's supposed to give flavor too. So I'm gonna put it in there and open.
Hope for the best. Get him. Throw him in. No?
That's always me. I gotta wash them.
You don't know where they've been.
I know where it's been. I feel it, but you have to watch it still, cause you know it's tea and you gotta drink it. You don't want to drink dirt.
Nobody likes dirty tea, huh?
No, nobody like dirty food.
Okay.
Nobody like clean stuff.
Now what?
Nobody like-
Now we wait for it to boil?
Do it for it. So. And then go get my chocolate.
Oh.
Oh,
You want to talk about his chocolate?
my mom always make chocolate and give it to me
How does she make
when I
it?
go back home. What?
How does she make it?
It's a long process.
Well, tell us all about it, dear. We got time because clearly your water's not going to boil for a minute.
I used to make chocolate too.
Good. How do you do it? Honey, explain to me, please, who never knows, and to everybody watching who probably knows already, where the
Somebody
chocolate...
knows,
Can you show us it,
somebody don't know.
please? I don't know, so do it for me. For them, for us. Fee-wee.
The chocolate, you pick it, it grow up on tree.
Mm-hmm.
You pick it,
I'm getting a visual aid for you, dear. Here, look, I'll hold it up, little hand model.
you pick it. Some people wash it before they put it for dry. Then wash out the syrup off and then put it for dry.
Mm-hmm.
When it dry, they put a pot on fire with a door or the stove, whatever they want to use, and then polish them chocolate, and then strip off the little vape part outside
Mm-hmm.
when it's crispy. Then they have a mortar and a stick, and then put them in there with nutmeg, cinnamon leaf, whatever they want, and then they beat them till it turn oil.
Mm-hmm.
When it gets soft and form oil, then they roll them in a ball, put them on a plate, let them dry. Then they either sell them or then give them away.
So what's
My
in?
mom sell it sometime to people.
So what's in this right here?
I wasn't there when she made it.
So what do you think is in this?
I hope it has. She put nutmeg, cinnamon leaf, and I don't know what else.
Who knows, Mama?
So,
Hoping for the best here.
That's all I know.
Okay.
But again, yeah. So they put cinnamon leaf and dry cinnamon leaf and nutmeg.
Cool.
And she just beat them together with the chocolate.
Okay.
It's a long process with chocolate. If rainfall, then it take a while to dry because if you're not in the sun, unless you just do it away upon the stove, but it don't make sense because it's not taste good if it's not dry.
Cool.
I'm trying chocolate in my pot anyway. I supposed to grate it, but on the time I gotta go to work. So, not to say that anyway, but.
You said it. They heard it. I heard it.
Anyway, so this
How
is
much
my
do you put in?
chocolate 1.5.
1.5.
Yeah.
Where'd your half come from?
I remember I made chocolate if you job here and came with them. And
But you cut it in half?
I cut off piece.
Oh.
You can grate it too if you want.
Mm.
So you can grate it and put it back on the stove, kind of melt it. Yeah, you can melt it to make melt it back like grate it. Put it on the stove and melt it and then remake it so it's more finer.
Oh.
So you get a finer instead of big grain in it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cardi.
Because I have no idea what's happening.
Because you won't turn off raw chocolate that's not cooked.
So.
Because you guys don't know how to cook.
You're right. Okay. Guilty. This guy does not know how to cook chocolate tea. So I was all like, hey, Son, the chocolate ball's melted. I think it's done. And then Sonia comes back and says,
Oh, I never said nothing.
well, if it's not, is it done?
No, it's not.
How do you know it's not done?
Because you can't tell when it's done.
Oh,
I know when it's done.
Is it? How many more minutes does it have?
No clue.
You're right. That's my point.
Yeah, because I leave on going, I don't know how much minutes.
It's been going for like 15 minutes.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean says boil up, say okay as the chocolate, as the water boil over it, say cook. No, it's still raw.
So how you know when it's done?
When we stop smelling. Bye.
When you stop smelling it. Okay, goodbye. I'll stay here with me and the chocolate.
That's not what it is anyway. It's still all smelly.
Oh, I smell it all right. Doesn't smell like chocolate.
When it has a sweet smell to it, right now.
Oh, it's definitely sweet. Just like you, dear. Chocolate tea.
So.
As what?
Chocolate as I look.
Where?
What do you think that is?
That looks like chocolate tea.
That look like aisle on the chocolate.
Aisle on the chocolate. Oh, I see it. Wait, let me get that. You dropped it. Put it back, please and thank you.
You never
Look at the
said
oil on the chocolate. Huh. Don't you love the... Look at that face. Listen, ladies and gentlemen. She
No.
expects me to know everything. Do you realize
Yes, you're
this?
supposed
Like, I
to know
can't believe
that.
you didn't know that.
You should.
I should. You're right. You should teach me to know
No,
it.
you should do
I
it.
should
I
just-
was your cooking.
You know how I make chocolate tea? Hold on. Let's do a little digression here. Chocolate tea, where I come from.
There's no chocolate tea.
We don't
in
have
this
any?
country,
It's
no.
already gone. Where I come from, we open the little packet that says hot chocolate. We put it in the hot water or hot milk if it's a fancy day. And we stir. And then we have chocolate tea. Or as we call it, hot chocolate. And if you're really, really fancy and you've been really, really good, you get the one with marshmallows. You put the little marshmallows. Yeah. Just like that. Wait, you want to try it?
No.
Yeah, why don't you do a little sprinkle action, huh? Where's your marshmallows?
I don't like marshmallow.
Okay, well, I'm just saying that is one major difference between yourself and myself. Your chocolate tea.
They have that in Jamaica too, you know, they have hot cocoa.
Uh-huh.
Yes, but your hot cocoa, you just put in a pot and just
That's
in
it.
a cup and just stir it.
And
the
it's
hot
done.
cocoa in Jamaica, they put it up on the stove, boil it, and then throw the hot cocoa and they put them, nothing make them.
Oh, they add to it.
Yeah, but it's raw cocoa, not cooked cocoa like wanna just put pack on. Yes, it's still in a pack, but you still gotta put hot water.
They pack the raw one too?
Huh?
They pack the raw chocolate too?
Cocoa.
Right, but they pack it raw?
Yes.
It's not like the instant one that we have.
No, they have instant one too, but yes, they have instant one too, but if you don't want instant one, you just get the raw one and the other one thing too.
Oh, we're gonna do our own. We're gonna melt plastic in our cocoa tea. Yes, that's what we're gonna do. That'll get her to stop preaching. Yeah. Don't worry, dear. We got this.
So that's what they do, okay? That's what they do.
Now what? Good job.
For me, when growing up, I never used to like cook things on ace. People take time and cook their food so it tastes. They cook their food with love, not AC. No. They cook their food, take time.
Oh, I'm feeling the love. Don't worry.
Yeah, when they cook it, when you hear the food, it's like, oh my God, you don't want it done, and you want to go keep on going back for more. It's so good. Yeah, they cook it with love.
Great.
Smile. Thing. Yeah.
All right. Well, how about we love up some of that chocolate?
Cook meat and chicken and just put salt on it, just dash in the oven and say, here you go. And then the chicken come out is white as egg.
Okay, so milk and the cocoa, dear. You're getting off topic here. We're sticking with
I'm
chocolate
not
tea.
getting off topic. Yeah,
chocolate tea.
Chocolate tea, but I'm just telling you guys cook, especially Tyler in the kitchen. Just ask some people to cook all the time. Like, okay, how hungry are you?
I'm thirsty for some tea.
You drink how much cup of coffee?
I'm waiting for my first.
No, you drink a lot of coffee.
I didn't have any coffee. I had an empty cup, remember?
No, you drink coffee this morning.
That was yesterday.
No, this morning.
Honey, the tea, the coffee, the chocolate in the tea.
It's after 12 now, people.
No, it's not. We still got time. You got 3 minutes. Come on.
First time in a long time.
Are you gonna? No.
It's like very first time in a long time.
So should we just wait till tomorrow? At the point, this is where we're going. Oh, careful. Oh, that's.
There you go. Little green tea.
Nice.
You know, since I come to US, I measure a lot of stuff in Jamaica. They just throw.
All right, go on.
Although some people do measure, some people do. Only like extra, that's a good amount.
That was a healthy amount.
Anything else? Salt.
Salt?
Yes, they gotta put salt in it to bring up the taste.
Hey, why not?
Flavor to it.
She's left-handed, ladies and gentlemen. We haven't mentioned that, and I know you probably noticed in the last video when she was chopping that chicken and corn like it's going out of style. Left-handed sewn over here, so screwing the cap lid on.
Left-handed people is the best people ever.
The best people.
Yeah.
Oh, you are definitely the best left-handed person I ever met.
No, not really. If you get me out on the wrong side, then I'll be mad, man.
Oh, we know. We've seen.
They're not see it.
Oh, they haven't seen it yet, but they will.
No.
Okay, salt. Salt in
chocolate tea. Yeah,
chocolate
gotta put
tea.
salt in there.
Okay.
Oh man, you're something else. It's bad boy. And oh, that's what my mom put nutmeg in still. We go up. Right down. It's my nutmeg, and my cinnamon, and my nutmeg, and fish peel. You can taste it like this. Tastes good. Let's see. Tastes good. Yeah. Tastes like something.
Oh, now the fun part. Now it's about to get real. Okay. You want a spoon or a shovel? Like, what are you? Get you one of those little hand shovels.
Alright, go shovel your brains.
Nice.
Quarter cup of sugar, of sweetening, and OPP.
That's how much, dear? How much of a cup?
If it's sugar,
No, man. How much of a cup is that?
Half a cup.
You said quarter cup. Just
Oh,
making sure we. Yeah. I got that on recording. Yes, we're working on the measurements.
It's half a cup.
Yes.
I never look good. It's half a cup. Okay.
Did you want to put half a cup in there?
I gotta put the on taste and see what it is.
Oh.
Okay, sweet.
Sweeten to taste, isn't that what they say?
Yeah, sweeten to taste.
What if you're sweet already?
I tasted before, you know, sweet.
What if you're sweet?
I'm always sweet.
Sweet.
Yep.
Okay, how many? We're going for more sugar. You sure? Yeah, get the sugar out of there.
50. Then I'll go.
What's that? You getting the chocolate spirit?
1 cup of chocolate.
You don't have a chocolate dance? Really?
Not today.
Aww.
No chocolate now. So when we were in Jamaica, we boiled coconut oil, right? And then when we boil coconut oil, so long as the coconut is fresh, when you strain it and it's fresh, and you skim it off, my mom used to make coconut oil a lot. So when you skim off it, and then you boil it, and the custard, the brown thing that's at the bottom, you make it get crispy. And when it's crispy, we used to put salt on it, because it's sweet. And we used to eat it with roast breadfruit, or yeah, we used to eat it with roast breadfruit. Yeah, my mom used to roast plantain, and we used to eat it. It tastes so good.
Yeah, I look forward to
Very
it.
sweet, nice.
We got coconuts in our backyard, so.
Yeah, we used to do that.
Okay.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this chocolate video. And thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day. Bless. God bless. Bye. You're turning off.
No, man, it's on. Want to try that again?
Bye bye.
Nice. All right, official taste test is here. Whew. That does not taste like instant hot chocolate, that's for sure. There's plenty in the pot, so hurry on over if you get a chance. Otherwise, it's gonna be gone. Oh, you did great. It's good.
Thank you. I can do things, you know. My mom teach me, and I learn.
Thanks, Mama. Appreciate the cocoa, chocolate, cocoa, chocolate, chocolate.
No one get
Toodles.
it confused up here. They call it chocolate at Jamaica that grow on tree.
Bye.
Bye bye.